Hello, Money Squad. I'm Hoku, and what I've already said, this is the Money Squad here. So we've talked about negotiating your allowance, but what's the best way to actually show your parents you're serious about taking on more responsibility? The answer is by creating your own professional job chart today. We're turning chore chaos into an organized system that can help you earn more and feed more and feel more in control. Why a job chart is your secret weapon. Let's be real. When parents have to constantly nag us to do chores, it's annoying for them and frustrating for us. A job chart changes that dynamic completely. It's your secret weapon for three big reasons. It shows you're professional. For bringing a well thought out chart to your parents is way more impressive than just saying, I'll do more stuff. I'll promise. It shows you put in real effort and then and and are thinking like a business person. It creates clarity. No more arguments about what needs to be done or when the chart is the boss. A clarity list of the tasks when they are due and what they're worth. It's too long. It's visual proof. A chart lets you and your parents track your progress at the end of the week. There's no debate about what you accomplish. It's all right there in black and white. Oh, my voice is cracking. Sorry guys, if my voice sounds weird today. I don't know. I just got back from the dentist. Think of it as your first business operations manual. Okay, brainstorm and create your task. Okay, let's build your first chart. Build your chart. First, you need content. Grab a notebook and brainstorm two lists. List a daily/weekly negotiation task. They are basics you're probably already expected to, often for free. Think making your bed, keeping your room tidy, putting your dishes in the dishwasher, and list B, above and beyond jobs. This is where your earning potential is. There are bigger tasks that help the whole family. Think washing the car, mowing the lawn, deep clean the bathroom, organizing the garage, and walking the dog every day. Helping with laundry. The key is to have a mix of both. The first list shows you're handling your basic responsibilities. The second list is where you can really shine and earn. Step 2, design your chart and set values. Now let's make it look good. You can go to your old school with a poster board and markers or high tech with a computer. Either way, your chart needs these columns. The specific task. Vacuum living room, take out recycling. Frequently, is it daily, weekly, or a one-time job? Value. How much is each 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 look that way. Each task worth this is crucial. Setting the value is a negotiation in itself. Smaller daily tasks might be 50 cents, 50 rupees, or $1. Bigger weekly tasks like mowing the lawn might be 5 or 10. Be prepared to discuss this with your parents. A good tip is to suggest a trial period where you test the pricing for a couple weeks. If you're wondering why I have socks on, which I don't think you've seen yet, I'm going to soccer soon. Don't forget to check mark or intel columns for you and your parents to mark when your job is done and approve this. This is how you avoid the "but I said I did it" problem. The pitch and the system. Step 3, the pitch and the system. Once your chart is ready, it's time for the presentation. Schedule that business meeting we talked about last time. Present your chart calmly and explain how it will benefit the whole family. Less nagging, more help. and a clear system for everyone. Suggest a payday, maybe every Friday night, where you all review the chart together and you get paid for all the checked off jobs. This makes the whole process feel official and rewarding. And that brings us to our money moment. Creating your own job chart does more than just organize chores. It teaches you project management and value system. You're learning to break down big goals, a clean house into small, accessible tasks. Assign value to your work and create a system that ensures you get paid for your effort. This is exactly how successful businesses are run. You're not just doing chores, you're managing your first enterprise, the family household. Your squad challenge this week is to create a draft of your personal job chart. You don't have to present it to your parents yet if you're not ready. Just focus on the first 2 steps. Brainstorm your to-do list, basic tasks, and above and beyond jobs. Design the layout of your job. Take a picture of your draft and share it on our YouTube community page. Let's see your creative designs and the jobs you're offering. We'll give a shout out to the most professional hooking chart. A job chart turns have-tos into choose-tos and turns frustration into cash. It's a win-win. Next time we're answering a question we get all the time. Where should I keep this money I'm earning? We're diving into the pros and cons of piggy banks, saving accounts, and even kid-friendly debit cards. Until then, keep building your dreams and your chore charts. This is Hoku. Make sure to like, subscribe, keep the notification bells so you never miss a future episode. Signing off. Bye.